Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. I have a Walmart haul, groceries and some back to school stuff. I'm filming this August 30th, I believe, Sunday. Grady goes back to school September 8th, so we are kind of chipping away at his school supply stuff. I have just a few more things I need to pick up this coming week, and I'm almost done with his like clothes and shoes and stuff like that. But anyways, this is all from Walmart. I'm going to start on this side. I love this product. I've been using it since it came out, like what, maybe a couple years ago. But it's been really hard to find since the pandemic started. So I've been needing it, and every time I've gone the past like handful of times, it's completely sold out. So they must have just restocked when we went. So I did get 2 of them. And I do get the biggest size they have. It is the Lysol laundry sanitizer. It just says kills cold and flu viruses and kills 99.9% of bacteria. I just really love it as like an additive in our wash. I got some everything bagels, some Mrs. T's loaded baked potato pierogies, some hard salami for lunches for my husband and I also like to cut it up and put it on salads. Some Snickers ice cream bars. If you've never had these and you like Snickers, I highly recommend them. They are a really good treat, and I actually like them better than like regular Snickers. They're super good. I did get some swirl rye bread, so it's like the pumpernickel rye swirl bread for sandwiches. I got a can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. I think I have one of these, but I like to always have a couple of them, especially this time of year when I do a lot of like chilies and soups and things like that. I got some romaine lettuce, some Great Value sausage, egg, and cheese croissants for Matt in the morning, a couple Choi Bonnie flips to pack Matt's lunch a couple days this coming week for the days he'll be working too far from home to come away or to come back home for lunch. The Choi Bonnie flip almond cocoa loco, and then the strawberry cheesecake one. Some Great Value brand chive and onion cream cheese spread. They did not have the Philadelphia cream cheese brand in this flavor, so I'm trying the Walmart one for Matt. I have never tried these. We're seeing them before. They are the Pillsbury filled crescent little roll kit. I don't know, they just look really good, like for a fun little thing to have for dessert. We're getting low on our creamer, so I got my husband pumpkin spice. And they did not have the sugar-free pumpkin spice, so I got the sugar-free caramel macchiato. I got some Great Value brand 2-pound bag of basmati rice. Some of these gala or gala, I don't know how it's pronounced, gala apples, 3-pound bag. We are in upstate New York, so this is like apple country, so apples are super, abundant right now. And these are really tasty, and I like that they're sort of on the smaller side. They're just kind of easy to throw in your bag and go. I needed some dusting solution, so I got this Pledge moisturizing oil, amber and argan scent. They didn't have the usual wood cleaner that I normally get, but I'm sure that'll be just fine. Dawn dish soap, because the dish soap I'm currently using is almost done. Some SOS steel wool pads. I use these to clean like stubborn pots and pans, and I also use these to clean out my actual sink. Makes it really shiny and doesn't scratch it. Some dishwashing cleaner solution, Cascade. And then I think the rest of the stuff is for back to school, so nothing too exciting. On his school supply list, there's also like a wish list part of the list, which is definitely optional, but one of the things on the list was like healthy, quote quote, healthy snacks, and a couple of the things on the list were Goldfish Crackers, so I got the big box like this. It was just the most cost effective. And then I got this Go-Go Squeeze variety pack. So this one has apple strawberry, and apple banana, and I'll drop all this off actually tomorrow for like a meet the teacher social distancing style outside kind of a vibe. So I have to drop these off tomorrow along with all of the rest of the school supplies. So pencil case, we just went with this blue one. It was very slim pickings for pencil cases that were on the larger side. Another thing on the optional list, donate list, were wet wipes, because the kids do like arts and crafts projects. obviously, and it's easier for them to clean their hands with these, I guess. I'm assuming that's what they're for. And then the rest was on the like mandatory supply list. So Germex was on there, and we already went ahead and just wrote Grady on all of them, so he knows, you know, so the teacher knows that they're his. Germex pump sanitizer. The Expo dry erase markers, it specifically said the low odor ink. I think it only the school supply list said 2 dry erase markers, but I just get the bigger packs, and then I just tell the teacher if there's, you know, a student that doesn't have them, or, you know, somebody's doesn't work or something, I just try to get extra. Same with the glue sticks. The list said 4, and I got the 6-pack, so there's a couple extra for whoever might need them, or just like a backup for the teacher. Crayons for Grady, just a 24-pack. Colored pencils. A couple highlighters were on the list. Again, this is a 4-pack, so she can just have the other 2. Headphones were on the list, and they had to be the kind that go on your ear, not in your, not the earbud kind. I don't know why, but that's just is what it is. So I got him those, and then 12 pencils. So I just got the 24-pack, and it specifically said the Ticonderoga brand. And then the rest of the stuff on the school list he already had, like things like scissors, folders, notebooks. We already had those things, so we obviously didn't have to buy them. So this is everything picked up today at Walmart. I'm going to share my meal plan for the upcoming week after this. I wanted to mention really quickly, we found these Cat and Jack kids reusable face masks at Target. They are a 2-pack for $4. So I got an extra pack for like another student in his class if they need, you know, extra masks. And then I got this 2-pack for Grady. Already tried them on. They fit really nicely. And there is this like gray one with these black stars, and just this kind of like Kelly green one. They are machine washable, which is nice. So Grady has these 2, and then a couple other. He has like a couple solid black masks as well, but I wanted to share these because they are, you know, a little nicer looking than like the medical masks, but still affordable, you know, $4 for a 2-pack. They also had like the adult version of these by the, I think it's Goodfellow company, as well, and we have a few of those too for my husband. So just wanted to mention, in case you're looking for a mask that is comfortable and, you know, you can wash it, check out Target. Alright guys, meal plan for the upcoming week, which is the week going into Labor Day. Crazy, it's going to be September 1st on Tuesday. So in no particular order, beer can chicken. We actually had this on the meal plan last week, but if you saw my last dinner video, I completely went off the meal plan. So I have, hopefully can get back on track with it, because I have a whole chicken, I've got the beer can seasoning, got plenty of veggies, and I'm actually going to go to my parents today on Sunday and get a whole bunch of veggies from their garden. We'll do rice or some kind of potato on the side. One night I'm going to do chili, either beef or turkey chili. I have both options frozen. I always serve my chili over pasta and some shredded cheese. One night I'm going to do shrimp Caesar salads. I bought the romaine today. I've got Caesar dressing and croutons, and I have shrimp frozen that I will grill up and kind of chop up into smaller pieces and toss it with the Caesar salad mixture. I've got pork chops, and I also have chicken wings, so one or the other. I'm kind of leaning a little bit more towards pork chops because we're going to have that beer can chicken one night, and what I plan to do with the leftover chicken meat is make chicken salad. So probably pork chops on the grill with some kind of marinade, veggies, and possibly those pierogies. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Labor Day weekend. Saturday we're having a barbecue here at our house with my in-laws and my family. So my parents, my husband's parents, probably not my brother because he's working, and I probably maybe my sister. I don't know if she has plans or she's working as well. Sunday we're barbecuing with our neighbors. It's just our neighbors next door. Really sweet family, so we're gonna probably do some kind of barbecue cookout with them. Of course, weather pending, is, you know, as long as the weather cooperates, we'll go ahead and do that. Monday is actual Labor Day. I kind of allotted that as my freebie day because that is the day before my son goes back to school. So it's gonna be kind of a chaotic day getting everything prepped and ready. So I'm just gonna leave it up in the air for now. Maybe we'll even do like takeout or something that night, because I have a lot to do. Speaking of back to school, I have all my sons, I'm in my 4th bedroom right now. I have all my sons back to school clothes here. And this is probably like, I don't know, 90% of what he'll need to go back to school. I haven't even taken the tags off yet, as you can see. So I'm wondering, do you guys want to see a haul? I know not everybody has boys and not everybody even has kids going back to school, but if you want to see a back to school clothing specific haul, comment down below and let me know. Sometimes I do them, sometimes I don't. It just sort of depends, but if I get enough people commenting or, you know, DMs and stuff, I'll consider doing one. Otherwise, have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.